Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video. Well, this is actually part 3, where you can cut out individual lines. And I did it without using TagCuts. In part 1, I used TagCuts. So now we're going to do one that you cannot do with just lines. And this is where TagCuts, and I've got a video probably just like this from a couple years ago, but I thought I'd add it to this. If we go to tools and scripts, yours might say macros or scripts, and there's TagCuts. We're going to say let's just do 5 by 5, but this time we want to give it a 0.25 radius and put create. This is something you cannot do without TagCuts. Well, let's break it apart, ungroup it, and you see that it's going to cut these individual lines. You can't do that without TagCuts. This will save you a tremendous amount of time. If you made these individually and made them look like this, and let's just do this, Control D and make a duplicate, move that over, and then left click, right click to put no fill. The laser is going to have to cut that center line twice because it's going down there, where this one is not going to cut it but one time to make those two pieces. It's a really cool program. I have it on my Facebook page. The link to that is on part 1 if you want to go back and watch part 1. But it really is a big time saver in cutting time. Hope that helped. Thank you.